Hey everyone, even though the Lectric XP Trike 2 is still in its early pre-release stage, people are taking notice of what it has to offer at a very affordable price. The base model, which retails for $1,499, maintains the same affordability that made the original XP Trike popular, while adding a number of significant improvements that improve comfort and functionality. The low-step frame, foldable design, and 20-inch wheels that made the first model affordable and useful are all still there in the XP Trike 2. This modification greatly increases ride comfort, particularly for riders navigating rough terrain or bumpy, cracked city streets. Additionally, the frame has been redesigned. Nowadays, hydroformed aluminum is used, which improves structural integrity while lowering weight. Mounting and dismounting is now simpler than ever thanks to the ultra-low step-through frame design, especially for riders who have mobility issues. When riding on roads or trails, a more upright riding posture brought about by a reworked handlebar stem makes one feel more at ease and confident. The adoption of hydraulic disc brakes, which significantly increase stopping power and dependability over the previous mechanical systems, is another notable development. Additionally, a new integrated taillight with turn signals has been added to improve road safety. Additionally, the XP Trike 2 is equipped with the more sophisticated and silent Stealth M24 motor, which contributes to its more covert operation. The improved full-color display, which offers a crisper, more contemporary interface for controlling pedal assist settings and ride statistics, is a significant win for both appearance and functionality. Color selections represent yet another much-needed upgrade. With 6 color options at launch, the XP Trike 2 allows riders to customize their ride to better suit their particular taste, whereas the original model only came in one gray option. Perhaps more impressive is the fact that this new model is available in 2 different versions to accommodate various user requirements. With a 500-watt motor and a 620 watt-hour battery, the ordinary $1,499 model has a range of up to 50 miles according to Lectric. In all likelihood, most users who ride with a lot of throttle will travel between 30 and 35 miles. Nevertheless, it's a good range for everyday tasks, commutes, and leisure activities. Lectric is selling the updated XP Trike 2750, which costs $1,799. Increased torque and acceleration are provided by this version's 750-watt motor, which is particularly helpful for bigger riders or steeper hills. Additionally, it has a bigger 840 watt-hour battery that Lectric claims will last up to 70 miles between charges. Although it is optimistic when using the throttle in real life, riders may see 45 to 50 miles or more if they utilize pedal assist sparingly. The torque sensor, a notable feature exclusive to the 2750 model, significantly enhances the pedaling experience. This gives riders a feeling more like riding a non-electric bike with supercharged legs by making pedaling feel smooth and natural. So the Lectric XP Trike 2 is ready to take the lead in the electric trike market, particularly given its low cost. Foldability, suspension, hydraulic brakes, innovative frame geometry, color display, and optional torque sensing, all for less than $2,000, are uncommon features. Although the XP Tricycle 2 is still in its infancy, all indications suggest that it will lead its category in terms of performance, comfort, and value, and will probably raise the standard for what riders anticipate from a contemporary electric tricycle. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Have a nice day, and God bless you.